We actually fucking just made it out of this ditch. Almost fucked our whole entire vacation up. Stupid ass truck.
Dude, for real, like, Colorado is just insane. I'll try to get a better view, but... Alright, ready? Spent a night in Colorado Springs. We left the door unlocked. Left this place a fucking mess. Lights still on.
Hey, don't fucking point that thing at me.
Alright. So it's 12 o'clock. First meal of the day. I got a bowl and I just got a burrito. Yeah, I'm about to get that stream. Sunday football, baby.
Mike's having an episode.
Sorry, missed it, dude.
Well, I just wanted to recap on that. I was just quite surprised to hear this man be really upset for nothing.
Dude, for real, like, Colorado is just insane. I'll try to get a better view, but it was like 50 degrees today. Now that we're up in the mountains, dude, it's actually pretty fucking cold.
This is the edge of the universe. You could see the entire city, the mountains. Yeah, these trees are covering it. Hold up. Whoa.
Jump, dude. You really want the shot or not?
Now hold this. Hold that. All right.
Alright, ready? Yo, so park rangers are pretty damn strict about going past the boundaries. And we're literally on a cliff right now. But look at this view. Whereas all these trees were blocking the view before. Dude, this is unreal. Fucking real. Yeah, I really mean this when I say this, but like, I think Colorado is my favorite place I've ever been to. I used to be more about cities, but I'm enjoying myself more out in the mountains. Shit works. You just gotta wait it out. It's gonna stop. It's gonna stop soon.
Yeah, he knows.
Any second now. Yep, there it is.
Boom, baby. Back on the road again. We got four-wheel drive this time. We're going down right now. Truck really just didn't make it up that hill. Being mad careful.
Really fucking stuck in a truck. It's all ice, dude, that's why.
We gotta go all the way down.
And dude, this truck's probably not all-wheel drive, it's probably rear-wheel drive.
We gotta go all the way down and go back up. We actually fucking just made it out of this ditch. Almost fucked our whole entire vacation up. Stupid ass truck. Still gonna get the view though, fuck it.
So Denver is currently having a coronavirus outbreak. So there's no bars or restaurants open after 10 p.m. I had to get a 7-Eleven sandwich. My expectations are very low, but let's see how it is. Overall, not the worst. It has pickles in it. I made sure to go out of my way to get that.